Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I can't remember the last time I did a true what's in my bag video, so today I'm going to do a quick what's in my bag with my Chanel Jumbo single flap. Black caviar, silver hardware. It's got the flat CC, which I absolutely love, you can see, and it's quite heavy, at least for me, because it's packed to the brim. So here are the chain straps. You've got the two grommets side by side because again this is the single flap, so you can actually slide this in and out very easily compared to the double flap. But at the moment it's full, so you can't quite easily pull it through. You see here? It's got a lot of stuff. Okay, so you open it up. It doesn't have the cumbersome second flap. Not that I mind it too much, I have it on my classic, but still, it's just easier when you can open it up and see all your stuff. So first things first, I've got my lambskin leather gloves from J. Crew. They are so buttery soft and they're in my favorite camel color. Yes, I've had these for a few years now and they're holding up pretty nicely. They've actually got cashmere lining on the inside. I would say they run a little small, so I got the large size, although I have long fingers and my hands are not small, so maybe that's appropriate. But someone asked me recently how the sizing worked, and this one is a large size. Okay. And then I've got, so these here are the holiday cards I've written out and some tips. You guys know I live in Manhattan and we live in a doorman building and we have a pretty sizable staff. Actually started giving out some cards. These are the ones that are remaining. I haven't ran into these guys yet, but you know, like our porters and doormen and handyman, maintenance guys, they all do so much to keep the building running, especially this year, working with masks on. I feel like they just really went above and beyond to just keep everything running smoothly for all the residents. So making sure to get these out to them before Christmas. So I've got those. Hopefully I can get those out this week. And then here's my phone case. This is the iPhone Plus size. And many of you asked me about where I got this case. Obviously my phone's not in it because I am filming with it. I got this from Narce Cases, N-A-R-C-E. You can find them on Instagram. I ordered this one and another one. This has a very much like a Chanel-esque vibe, which is why I can see everyone being interested, and it's a really pretty pop of red. It's got this little pocket here, so you can slip your Metro card or some receipts or even a little credit card, your ID. It's nice and handy, but it is kind of puffy and it'll take up more space than some of the slimmer cases out there, so just keep that in mind. Okay, and then here I've got my trusty mini pochette. It is just filled with a bunch of knickknacks. I think you guys have seen, many times before, Band-Aids, extra cards, little things like that. Here is my Chanel card holder that's now going on to be vintage. Pretty much, I've had this for a long time. My husband got this for me when we were dating. It's got the flat kind of like the glossy calfskin, and it's got the big flat quilting, or I should say the larger stitching. Yeah, it's fun. I love it. It's holding up really nicely. And then in here I've got, so this one here is from Dress Up Your Purse. You guys know I've been talking about Dress Up Your Purse for a while, and I've got a couple of extra gift cards in here that I'm trying to use up. This reminds me so much of my Rainbow Mermaid reissue wallet on chain from Chanel, the one that everyone thought was like, I don't know, such a surprise for someone like me who usually sticks to neutrals and classics. But I am so smitten with this rainbow iridescent effect. And when Dress Up Your Purse came out with this little envelope pouch, and it's got a little key ring as well, I thought it was so cute. It matches so perfectly, so I do use this for some of my extra cards that I've been carrying around. And then here is my Louis Vuitton coin purse with the 2019 Christmas animation with Vivian on a boat in Venice. So this one's really cute. Reminds me of my trip to Venice, actually, that same year. It's got my earbuds in there. Here I just have a little tortoise shell hair clip. And let's see here. My Louis Vuitton key pouch that I take with me everywhere. This is in the damier bin. My keys are in here. And then this one, this is the Chanel egg-shaped hand cream. I actually am not a huge fan of this. I feel like it's really bulky. It's hard to kind of squeeze out. It like takes me all my muscle power to squeeze it out, probably because there's not that much left. I am just trying to use this up as quickly as possible so I can get rid of it. That's why I have it with me. I prefer my L'Occitane hand creams so much more. I feel like they're more moisturizing, they're more compact, they're easier to squeeze out. They also have beautiful scents that I love. I have talked about this before, so no surprise if you've been here before. But I do love how pretty the egg shape is and the design is, but for $50, which is pretty much what this is, I don't really think it's worth it. So I'm just trying to get rid of it, use it all up. I don't want to be wasteful. So I want to get my last drop of cream out of this, and then I will check it. And then I think this is my last thing here. Yep, my Burt's Bees lip balm, because, you know, it's cold. It's December here in New York and it gets really dry. So I do have a insert bag organizer in the matching black. It's all black on the inside. Then my jumbo here is a made in France. Don't know if you can see that. You also have this open pocket here. And right now I have these two, I have these two like hand wipe thingies, disposable hand wipes that I got from a Japanese restaurant that we dine in at as often as possible because it's one of our favorites. And whenever they give us some of these, I take some and put them in my bag for later because I've got 2 kids and their hands get grimy and I want them to be clean when they are putting their hands in their mouths or eating. And then this is just like in the zipper compartment. I have my authenticity cards and paperwork. I just haven't moved that out. I just kind of left it in there. So that's what it looks like. Pretty roomy, as you can see. And then of course you have the back pocket, which is quite large. Let me give you a size reference here. I haven't put anything in here at the moment, but these are pretty lengthy. You could slip those back there. So even if your own hands were a little dirty and you didn't want to go inside your bag and kind of rummage, you could just put it in this back pocket here. You could also put your phone. Believe it or not, even this bulky cushioned phone case fits pretty nicely. And sometimes I might even put it up like this for easy access. What else? I wonder if one of these little cards could fit as well. Yeah, it sort of sticks out, but you can do it for easy access. There are a lot of little things that can fit in here, but it's not secured because it is an open pocket, right? So you wouldn't want to put anything too important. So there it is. I don't know if you're interested in seeing me pack it up again. I'll do that quickly. Oh, I wanted to show you. So I love this because it's a single flap. The chain slips right in like that because there's nothing blocking it. If there was a double flap here, you wouldn't be able to do that. And then you can just, whoop, it's so nice, easy. So I'll quickly pack this again just in case anyone is interested in seeing me pack it. It's sort of like reverse engineer. So there are all the cards again that I have to hand out today. My mini pochette. My little envelope pouch. Coin purse. Key pouch. My card holder. Put my phone. See, it all kind of slips in easily, and I don't have to really, you know, there's like no rhyme or reason. I wonder if I should stand this up. Yeah, I could even stand up my phone. Put my hair clip down there. I don't know, I feel like it was much neater before, but I'm trying to do this looking through the phone lens instead of directly. So it's a little trickier. Let's slip that in there. And then plop. And I can also plop a pair of sunglasses, I'm sure, on top. But before I had my phone laying down, now I have my phone standing up. So either way works. See? It's not too overstuffed either. There's no like bulge anywhere. Wow, it's heavy though. Just kind of lifting it like this, it's heavy. I bought this pre-loved, as you probably know. I got this from a reseller on Instagram. They're called Rouge Street Bags. The owner is Jazz. She's absolutely lovely. My very first time ever buying a bag from a reseller on Instagram. I was terrified, but I talk about my experience in the original unboxing video, and it was absolutely just a lovely experience. And I got such a great deal on this bag, you wouldn't even believe it. The structure is so good. There's no triangular pointy top, right? It's still very much rounded. Unfortunately, with the jumbos, because they do get heavy and the bag kind of sags, you'll see all kinds of structure loss, and then you'll see a lot of pointiness on the top. You don't see that here. I'm just really happy. A lot of people were concerned when they saw this, like on my behalf, saying, oh, it's a single flap, that's going to make it lighter and it's going to make it more convenient. Yes, but on the downside, you are probably going to lose structure a lot faster because it doesn't have that double bag within a bag concept, right? Like the classics do. And I appreciated the concern, but so far so good. And I don't tend to overpack my bags, so just because I can't deal with the heaviness of it. So it's working out perfectly for me. I would not exchange this for a double flap ever. Like the single flap, I love it. Love it so much. So I hope you enjoyed this What's in My Bag video. It was a quickie. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.